guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going over the Asics Gel Kayano 14 in the Birch and Dark Pewter colorway. So my first Asics review actually gained a little bit of traction. It was this same model in the cream colorway from the Imperfection pack. I decided to just pick up another pair just to give you another look at this model in a different colorway to give you guys another option for the summer. But I'll try to provide a link somewhere in this video or in the description so you guys can watch that video as well. So I actually looked at all of the colorways pretty much on StockX just to get an idea of what has released, and I kind of narrowed it down to about 4 colorways I would really like to see in hand, including this pair. The classic red colorway, it's selling for around like 500 bucks in my size, so definitely gonna have to wait on that pair. And the white pure silver colorway, which pretty much is like an all silver shoe, but it has just red in the gel bubble area. And then honestly, as far as blue, I really like the pure champagne, pure silver champagne, I think it's called. But that colorway is really dope. And finally, we can get into the Birch and Dark Pewter colorway. I think this is a very slept on colorway just because this pair right here is only going for about $10 over retail at around $160. These were released right at the beginning of 2024, literally on 1/1. For a retail price of $150. Like I said, these are currently selling for around $160 on StockX and reselling sites, at least for my size, a 9.5. Definitely think that extra bump is worth the money to get a sold out colorway that you can literally wear every day with any outfit. Looking at the details, all of the Asics branding is in that dark pewter color, which if you're wondering is just a fancy way of saying dark gray. You'll see the dark pewter color and also a nice metallic finish on the sides of the shoe, on the tongue and lace eyelets, and you also get that Gel Kayano 14 branding on the heel. The shoe consists of a cream mesh to give you great breathability when wearing this sneaker. The material used on the toe is the one area I wish had more of that metallic finish. If it did, I really think this would be competing with the metallic plum colorway as one of the most wearable for this model. It feels like a synthetic type of leather, which still looks great on this colorway. A quick look at the insole of the shoe. There is an all cream insole with the Asics Gel Kayano 14 branding in that dark pewter color, and also on the back of the tongue, which is a nice add in my opinion. You have a cream midsole, which is very soft to the touch to go along with the gel technology for a great cushioning setup. Moving on to the outsole, you have the Asics traction in more of a dark pewter color and hints of lighter gray and almost a translucent midfoot plank to help give extra support to your feet. Moving on to sizing, I ordered my normal size, a 9.5, and I think it feels great, so I say stick true to size on this shoe. Comfort wise, I would definitely give this a solid 8.5 out of 10. I think this feels really great on feet, especially with that gel technology to give you great comfort for everyday wear. Overall, I love cream tones, so if you're looking for an everyday colorway that goes with everything, I think this is a great shoe to pick up. This is definitely one of Asics' most popular models out right now, so if you're looking for a shoe that fits that Y2K aesthetic that's trending right now, I think this is a great entry-level shoe if you're new to the Asics brand. I'm really happy with my purchase from Asics, so I'm definitely going to keep an eye out for the new colorways, models, and collabs coming from them. I just want to thank everyone for watching, so please subscribe for more sneaker and fashion content. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this shoe or your favorite colorway or model from Asics. That's all I have for today, so thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.